Alright, so this is a practical aspect on how to make the token video. So you're gonna either download the HeyGen app or you access it through the website. Okay, it depends if you have the storage for it or not. So I'm gonna go over here to click on HeyGen. Alright, this is it right here. You can just click on any of it. Just make sure that it is showing you the HeyGen. Alright, then you click on the name HeyGen. Then you are either to sign in with the account you created if you already have an account with them, or maybe you sign up. So I have an account with them. I'm just going to click on sign in. All right, you can see this button right here that says sign in. So click on that sign in. Then you're going to see something like this. So like I said, you can access this on the website or on Google Play Store. So I don't need the HeyGen app. I'm going to click on maybe later. Alright, so this is what the site looks like, or this is what it looks like basically. For the first time, you're going to be seeing it like this. Okay, so if you click on this left hand side where you're seeing the HeyGen logo, you click on that three dash lines, you're going to see home, avatar, video agent, translate, apps, and that. This is a very complex website or very complex app, but we are interested in making that exact talking video. There are many things that you can do on this app, or there are many things you can do on this website. Do you understand? But now we are focusing on making that talking video. So you're going to click on avatar. It depends if your screen is showing you exact the way it is on my screen, but if you are not seeing that, you're going to click on avatar. All right, and click on start creating.
What you're wearing doesn't matter.
So
Welcome to Avatar 5.
Then you can look for
record once and create yourself anywhere. Like presenting the biggest pitch of your career, hosting your podcast from the top of a mountain, teaching a 1 hour masterclass from Paris. Every video, any version of you. Now let's create yours.
So I'll just head back to home, okay, because of that noise that is disrupting our video. So you say we have generate a video from a prompt. So let's say you have a prompt and you want to make a video, you don't have any picture, no image at all, then you can use this first option. Then we have to create your AI avatar. Let's say you don't have any image at all, you want to use the app to create your own AI avatar. An AI avatar, like I said, is just like something that is you're going to animate. Do you understand? So another we have here is make an avatar video from a photo, and that is the exact one I use for that talking video. Then the other one here is translate any video. Maybe you want to change a video language. You understand? So now you're going to click on this make an avatar, blah blah blah.
Where you record doesn't matter.
Took us back to that thing I was avoiding, but that's not a problem. You just click on start creating. Okay, so you click on start creating, and we have avatar 4 and 5 already on the app and on the website. You know that if you are using avatar 4, your credits that will be exhausted. That is if you're on the pro version, will be less, but if you are using avatar 5, you might spend more. So we have the script to video. That is if you are using a script alone. Writing, that is if you are writing. In the course of this training, I have taught you how to write your script. I've taught you what app to use for your scripting. Okay, so everybody watching this video, I am taking it that you are no longer a beginner. You know already how to write a script. Okay, so now we want to make we want photo to video and not script to video. The difference between the both is that script to video, you don't need any image. Okay, you can equally use you can use an image if you want to, but we are using photo to video. So you're going to click on upload a photo. All right, when you click on upload a photo, it's going to open up your gallery for you, and then you can go ahead to choose what photo you want to animate. Let's say I want to make let me go ahead to choose a talking video, a talking image. Let me use that same image we used for that video. Okay, let me just go ahead to look for it. So this is the image. Okay, so we have the landscape, which is this other option for YouTube. In case you are making a YouTube talking video, note that when you are making your image, be mindful of the ratio. We have ratio for YouTube videos and ratio for YouTube short and Facebook reels and that. So this is a reel, or it's going to be a short on YouTube. So we are going back to TikTok, like 9:16. Okay, so you can zoom in and zoom out. You don't understand? So now you want to upload your own voice. You want to upload your own voice. You can see this icon here. I will try to use marker to tap on it. You can see this. Yeah, this one that is saying upload. So that is where you upload your voice. So what you want to do is to record yourself saying something. You can, after scripting, you can screen record yourself. Okay, a video, screen record yourself. Then you go ahead to change that video to MP. That's to convert the video to a MP3 file. That's another way of scripting or recording your voice. Or maybe if you already know what to say, you can just record your voice. So you can then click on this upload. I will show you the app that I use in converting the video to a sound. So these are my sounds that I've used on this app. You can see. So if you want to upload your own, you then click on upload file. Okay, when you click on upload file, if you recorded your voice, you click on recorder. Sorry, if you want to record your voice, you click on recorder, and if you have recorded something, then you can click on that same recorder to pick the voice you want. But if you change or if you converted the video to MP3, then you have to use another option, which is looking for it at photos and videos. Okay, you click on that photos and videos, and then you wait for the options, and this is where I have it. So I'm going to click on audio and look at it. This is the name of the app. That's why we are seeing it like that. It's by X9 Converter. So I'll click on it and then click on the convert video, because I converted a video, a script video, a recorded script video I recorded. I was reading the scripts. I was reading what I wrote. I was reading what AI gave to me. Do you understand? And then I converted it from video to audio. So you can see it right here. You can see it. You can see it. Then you just go ahead to choose. You choose the. Do you understand? You choose it. Then when you choose it, it's gonna like upload. Just let it upload. After it uploads, you are going to click on that file, because that is what you'll be using to voice or to make your talking video. So we're just going to let this upload, and after that I'm going to show you the next step. Yeah, so it's done uploading. You're going to click on add video. You can see, sorry, add audio. You can see that we have the audio right there. You can see it right here. Okay, so there are other things you can do on this app. You can click on this what will I call this? I will try to circle it so you can see it. You click on it. If you want the expression of the image or the person talking to be more expressive, you can either turn it on or you turn it off, whichever you want. Then it said custom motion 2 times cost. You know, the extra instruction you are giving to the AI, the more you're spending. Do you understand? So it all depends. Then you can just give your instruction, and after that you click on this generate here, this other blue arrow that is facing up, and to start generating. Okay, so if you don't even have a voice, like you did not record anything and you want to use a script, you can paste the script here by deleting this voice. You paste the script here, and it's going to use its own voice to generate for you, not your own voice. And then there are other things that you can do by adding your own voice. You can click on this audio VN. Actually, the AI voice is going to be there, but when you click on it, you're going to see options for you to create a new voice. So you have to be experimental about this. So you can click on this plus new voice. You record your voice, and it's going to clone your voice to give you AI's voice. So if you write a script that you are not recording, then you can choose your voice. It's going to clone it, not really exactly, but kind of related to, similar to it. Do you understand? Then you can go ahead to voice design, like even add, maybe you have 11 lab subscription, and you also create voices there, or LUMNT. You understand? You can click on it and add it. You need your API key on ElevenLabs to connect your ElevenLabs to HeyGen. So if you already have a subscription, so if you already have a subscription plan, you can just connect it right here, and after, once you connect that there, then you click on confirm. So currently I do not have any ElevenLabs, so everything that I'll be using was my recorded voice. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on back, and then once you click on this arrow sign, is going to start generating, and after that you're going to see your videos right here. Then you can go ahead to download. After generating your videos and you're looking for your videos, you just go back to that three dash lines, and then you can play your videos right there, or also you can make edits. So if you are okay with the video, okay, let me mute this so that you do not, yeah, so you can see this is the video. Then if you are okay with the video, you can click on these three dot lines right here. Then sorry, you click on the, not these three dot lines, to download it, the three dot lines up here, you click on it and click on download. And if you're using an iPhone, there are ways, like you have to go through Red Sea, Black Sea before you download. First of all, you will download it. After downloading it, you have to save it to your files, and after saving it to your files, you have to save it to your phone. So if you're having issues on how to save on your iPhone, don't worry, just tell me. But this one I downloaded on my Android. But maybe, I don't know if many of us here are using iPhone, but if you are struggling with it, I'll make video with my iPhone and then send it to you. You see that it's very, very easy. So if you have any questions, private chat me immediately. Do not keep your questions to yourself. That is why you paid. That is why I call it a VIP guidance. This is not something that will carry everybody in a group or tell you that you learn at your own pace. You are learning at your own pace, but you are to ask questions when you are confused.
This video you're watching right now was made with AI. Everything was created from my smartphone. And the interesting part,